Before starting, I recommended this best gaming PC you can build for around $2,000. If you're looking to buy a pre-made one, we recommend the Cyberpower Gamer Supreme Liquid Cool Gaming PC. It's powered by Intel i9 9900K and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Super that can run AAA games on ultra settings. With superb single-core performance and multi-threading, the Intel i9 9900KS is one of the best CPUs money can buy, especially when it comes to gaming performance. With 8 cores and 16 threads, this CPU is ready to handle anything you throw at it and continues to lead the way for Intel. The i9 9900KS comes with a clock speed of 3.6 GHz and has the potential of being boosted up to an impressive 5.0 GHz. The K, as many will know, is a symbol that represents the CPU's unlocked overclocking ability. If you are considering overclocking this Intel CPU, be sure to include the cooler upgrade, as this will run a lot hotter. The Dark Rock 4 cooler from Be Quiet is a large air cooler with a 120mm fan. This cooler is more than enough to handle the heat of both the AMD and Intel CPU options and even competes with some AIO coolers. This CPU cooler features a large radiator that will help keep your temperatures low and your system quiet. The radiator will be better for heat dissipation, enabling more room for overclocking and preventing your CPU from throttling. In addition to high performance and optimized airflow, you also get the benefit of peace and quiet, with noise levels only hitting 21.4 dB. What high-end build would be complete without a powerful graphics card? For the absolute maximum graphical processing power available, look no further than the RTX 2080 Ti. To put it simply, this card is the highest performing GPU in the benchmarks right now and will handle any game you throw at it. The 2080 Ti has 11 GB of GDDR6 VRAM and a boost clock speed of 1545 MHz. If you can afford to stretch your budget, we recommend going for the triple fan version of this card, which is one of our best 2080 Ti recommendations. Playing AAA games is almost unworthy of this card's power, but there is simply nothing better for all your gaming needs. This 16 GB memory kit from Corsair offers more than enough RAM for both the AMD and Intel related builds. With this kit, you can be sure there is no compromise when multitasking, streaming, and of course, gaming. In addition to the large capacity of this RAM, we have also ensured we include fast-acting clock speeds of 3000 MHz. With this speed, you are guaranteed never to be bottlenecked by your RAM, even when running RAM-hungry applications. Quality, speed, and more than enough in terms of size. What more can you ask for? Benchmarking has shown us that the difference between M.2 SSDs and SATA SSDs in real-world situations is far less impressive than what figures suggest. Even though the SATA is roughly 7 times slower than the M.2, when tested in a gaming scenario, the difference was very little. Not only is it speedy, but it also has a whopping 1 TB of storage to play with. You can expect fast boot times into your operating system, quick application load times, and greater performance in your games when compared to an HDD. Every high-end build needs a solid and reliable power supply to keep things ticking over. While some may think more watts are better, 650 watts is powerful enough to supply this gaming rig with all the juice it needs. While you may not need the most efficient PSU out there, when a deal such as this comes along, you need to take it. In addition to the platinum level of efficiency for this power supply and its full modularity, you also get EVGA's trademark build quality, with excellent overclocking capabilities and room for expansion. The bASUS TUF Z390 is the perfect motherboard to accompany the Core i9 9900K. The board comes with Wi-Fi, USB 3.1 Gen 2 slots, M.2 support, and SSD support. With this product from bASUS, you are getting a reliable and sturdy board that oozes quality. This motherboard not only supports the fast RAM included in the build, but it gives you extra headroom for any future upgrades, up to 4266 MHz. Finally, from this sturdy board, you get the Aura Sync RGB lighting and GPU temperature sensing technology. To keep all your components safe and looking stylish, we have selected the Fractal Design Meshify CPC case. This mid-tower case comes with two pre-installed with dynamic X2 GP12 120mm fans. These fans deliver optimum airflow out of the box, and with that low level of noise, Fractal Design is known for. With this compact case, you are getting a similar level of performance as you would from a larger capacity tower, only with a much smaller form factor. Combining this case with the CPU cooler, your gaming PC will be running at low temperatures even with the most demanding of games. The Meshify C comes with a stylish design and a tempered glass panel to keep your overall build looking sharp. This is final episode of 2019 high-end gaming PC build parts. Thank you for watching my 2019 series. Next series will come next year. Till then, take care and watch my other tech, gaming and tutorial videos. If you are interested in buying this PC, link will be provided in the description of the video.